So, this is a love reading for you, Taurus, for the month of November to December. In this reading, I'm going to take out cards for you and your love interest. So, the cards for you will be on the left, and for your partner will be on the right. And let us see how's the guidance from tarot. You should note that this is a general reading, so everything will not resonate with all Taurus as it is, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. Also, end of this vlog I have attached is a reel about all the services that I offer in terms of tarot readings, runestone reading, healings, just so many articles that I write. You can have a look at that reel as well, which will play after this vlog. And then in the description box I have given links to all the services, so you just need to click on it, read the details, and then you can drop a mail to me about the reading. Also, you want to read my November newsletter. I have made it with a lot of love and effort. You want to read it, share it, and yeah. So let us see how's the guidance for you, Taurus, and your love interest. Who are you in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength and challenges your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future together? What is the past you both are coming from? And how's overall the love reading? So, you both are you both may be knowing each other from your youth or from young days, or maybe you both were friends, because I see the two of you have a lot of friends in common, a whole lot of friends in common, and that may be because you both went to the same college or you did your schooling together. So, and you both love to live life as it comes. It's not like one is doting on the other. You're going through a phase where you also have your life and you also have this person you love very deeply, and all looking good here. Now, you may be very social compared to your partner, Taurus. I'm saying that you do connect with your friends, you like going out, and your partner, on the other hand, is very creative and likes to discuss ideas, likes to, playfully poke people. So, your partner has this bit of an edge where they have this very creative stroke, or is very, very independent, likes to meet people, push through their ideas, or discuss things till they perfectly understand it. Now, what is the strength and challenges you bring and your partner brings? You both are quite invested in creating a very secure and sound long term or a future, and you love what you do, and you like to take advice from people because you don't like to make mistakes, Taurus. It's quite possible on a good day you're talking to some very senior people, asking them how do I go about things, and you're working towards creating a very secure financial situation. I see you at work, I see you building money, and you're doing good. Some of you may be booking a house very early on already. So some people may be impressed how quickly you were able to book a house or build a house for yourself. Now, what is the strength and challenges your partner brings? Your partner is also very sharp in thinking as well as in talking. There is very less that will miss your partner's eye, and he or she will hold you or hold the other person, whoever, very accountable, whether at work or in personal life. There is very less that your partner will miss or does not register or notice. He or she sees everything, will notice everything. Also, this is a guidance of very good communication. Your partner just loves to talk and has a very sharp communication. Now, how do you see your partner and how does your partner see you? You feel that this partner is God sent, or this is a connection which was meant to be, and the two of you will go great lengths with together, and you both will achieve a lot. You see your partner as someone who has no issues or any problems about anything. He or she is easy to get along and is a very nice and loving person. This is about somebody who's very sorted and gives you a lot of freedom. So that's exactly how you see Taurus, your partner, who does not interfere, does not get into smallest of things with you. Your partner sees you as someone who's very transparent, who has no lies, who has no game going on, any mind game going on. He or she sees you perfectly, a perfectly easy person to read. And also as a soulmate connection, your partner is feeling very loved up, a lot of love that your partner is experiencing with you. He or she feels you both are soulmates and meant to be together, and that's exactly how you feel as well. These are both very heavily blessed divination cards, so you feel the same energy about your partner, and your partner also feels that you both are connected just beyond body and mind and heart. There is something, even spiritually the two of you are connected. You both see each other the same way. Now, what is the hope or fear you have about the future together, and what is the hope or fear your partner has about the future? About the future, Taurus, you feel that no matter what comes along, the two of you will pull it through, or your partner will stick it out and will definitely work that difficulty or problem and will find a solution or will tide you through. So you feel there's a lot of strength your partner has. Also, some of you feel that your partner can be a provider to the point that he or she can sacrifice everything for it. So you love this energy, and about the future you're convinced that you both are going to grow old together. Now your partner feels that you both will definitely retire together and will have a very good, will have a lot of money and luxurious life together. So you both are very convinced about how the life is going to shape up in the future, and because of how transparent and you feel this connection which is so strong. Now, what is the past you are coming from, and what is the past your partner is coming from? Taurus, you may be the one who made a proposal to your partner, and you were quite relentless about it. You did not take a no. You went all out, and you wanted to win this person over. And the good part is you have this partner. So very beautiful guidance. What is the past your partner is coming from? Your partner is been working and was very patient. He or she was very, very patient for how the love energy will turn up, how their job situation will turn up, and he or she did not give up or was not showing hastiness in the past. So you both were quite patient with each other, and you may have been the one pursuing the partner, Taurus. Now, how's overall the guidance for the love energy? You both, as I said, have a lot of friends together, and you both are very happy. And not just happy together, you both are also happy in your own skin and how you are as an individual. So there's just so much to smile and laugh about and just enjoy the good life. And you both seem to be doing very well together, and as well as just as individuals.